Hi everyone, this is Business Hunters. Today I want to quickly show you how you can change your Facebook page name. A lot of people have been asking me that they are always finding it difficult to change their Facebook page name, that they want to change it from one name to the other. But you need to have it in the back of your mind that when you want to do this, it is not only your Facebook page name that you're going to change. You are also going to change your Facebook page web address. That is the only way you can keep your Facebook page resonate with your audience. Because whenever you create a Facebook page, Facebook is also going to ask you to create a web address for your Facebook page. A web address that people can type on the browser and locate your Facebook page directly. So you're not going to change only the name and leave the web address. Let's say the name of your Facebook page is Make Money, and you want to change it to affiliate marketing or something else. The moment you change it from Make Money to affiliate marketing, you are also going to change the web address. In one word, you're going to change it affiliate marketing. So when you finish setting it up, what you're going to see, your web address will be FB slash at affiliate marketing. So if somebody type on the browser, or maybe goes to Facebook and type your business name on browser on Facebook web address at affiliate marketing, they will locate your web address directly. So I'm going to take you online without wasting much of your time to show you exactly how you can set it up. But before I show you how to change your Facebook page name, I want to quickly do a little way of creating a new Facebook page, because a lot of people are still saying, hey, I have a Facebook account, but I don't know how to create a Facebook page. In case you're somebody who is watching and you do not know how to navigate to create a new Facebook name, I want to quickly show you how you can do it. So you come here on the menu here, you're going to click on the menu, then you scroll down. When you scroll down, you're going to click here, page. Automatically, it will take you where you create a new Facebook. Let's say I want to create a new page by the name Make Money. You can see that this name is available. This Facebook page, no Facebook account is bearing this one. So the name is here. So you come to category. Let's say I want to do affiliate marketing, or I'm going to type A here. It's going to show me all the agencies that are available, marketing agencies. Then you type another word, maybe A. It's going to show you social media agency. You choose all the categories that you want your Facebook page account to resonate with. So when you're done selecting all of this, you're going to come here and create it. The moment you click create, your Facebook will be created for you. Because as you see with this green sign here, it shows that all these things I selected are available. So my page can be created like this now. But because I'm not creating a new page, so I'm not going to bother myself. So what you need to do when your page is created, you now come here, you change the header image here, you design a header image and you upload it here, you change the header image. Just then you can also come to about and write what your Facebook page account is about. Then you go and input your phone number, your email address, your website address, your web address, and all of that. Things that are related to your business that you're creating the page for. So when you're done with that, your page is up. Then you begin to advertise it to get more followers on Facebook and all of that. But that's not what I want to talk about. What I want to talk specifically here, I want to show you how you can actually change your Facebook page name. That's what we want to talk about. How to change your Facebook page name is what we want to talk about in this video. So I just quickly give you an inkling in case you are watching, you don't know how to create a page different from your regular Facebook account. So let's go back so that I can show you how you can change um, I want to show you how you can change your Facebook page name easily. It's not going to take you 3 minutes to do that. So let me use um, Let me use this particular one here for example. For instance, this is the one I want to change the name of this my Facebook page from Delicious Tea Square to something like Make Money. Then what I will do, I will scroll down here. By the look at your left hand side, scroll down and come to the edit page info. When you come here, you are going to write the name of a new name here. Let me say I want to use Make Money. As you can see that the name is available. So if I click change name now, Facebook will change this my Facebook page automatically to Make Money. It's going to substitute Delicious Tea Square with Make Money. But because I'm not changing it, I'm not going to go ahead to click on this stuff. So I will cancel it here. So then the web address I talked about, this is your web address. If somebody comes here and click Daily Tree Square, or maybe type, he comes to Facebook account here and he click here and he types at Delicious Tree Square, it will take you directly to this my Facebook page. But because I'm not changing it, I'm going to end it here. So these are the two things that you need to change. Change the name of the business page and also change the web address so that you will not be confusing your audience. So that's all I have in this video. If you are watching, look at all the setup. You can put your phone number and all of the details here. Then you're done. Your address, everything, you're done. So if you're watching my channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification icon so that you can get notified whenever I create a new video. We talk on my page, we talk about, I do a lot about general business online and all of that. So I really appreciate your time. Thank you and take care.